Welcome to this module with Chris Newton, founder of Marketing Help Online. Here's Chris.
One of the really telling case studies that we do in our two-day workshops is to take people through the process of defining this magic story, or as it's called, the USP, the unique selling proposition. And we do this little exercise where we have people write down the 10 reasons why someone should buy from them. And it's really interesting to see people come up with quality and service and experience and convenient location and good range of stock, etc., etc., etc. And then we say that if the things that you've listed can be claimed by your competitors, even if it's true or not, you've got to cross it out. If your competitor claimed it, you've got to cross it out. So out goes quality, because of course they're going to say whether it's true or not. They'll say, yeah, we got quality, we got great service, we're friendly people, we're experienced, we're in a convenient location, we've got great prices, we've got a good product range. And suddenly everyone's left there with no list. It's pretty depressing. And then what we do is we build on that and we say, that's the obvious. But how can you bring out the magic story? How can you articulate the things that truly are special about you, that maybe you've been keeping a secret? And it's amazing the things that people come out with. You see, you've got a unique story to tell, but the trouble is we get so close to it that we simply don't tell anybody. We keep it the best kept secret on the planet. So if you walk away with one valuable lesson, it is to continually ask yourself, why should someone buy from me? Professor Theodore Levitt of the Harvard Business School put it so eloquently when he talked about the way that people just sell the features, they just sell the commodity the same as everybody else does. So people are not wanting the commodity, they want what it does. Or as he put it so beautifully, when people go into a hardware store to buy a 1/4-inch drill bit, what are they actually buying? They go in and buy a drill bit, but what they want is the hole it makes. It's an interesting thought, isn't it? Next time you have to write something that is promotional or to promote why people should buy from you, maybe write up the top of the page or at the top of the screen, 1/4-inch drill bit. And then keep asking yourself, are you selling the drill bit or are you selling the hole? What we do is we promote the features. We promote the fact that we've been in business for 23 years. And I would say, so what? If you can ask yourself that question, so what? Every time you put down a reason why someone should buy from you, you say to yourself, so what? And it forces you then to peel away the layers until you come up with the benefits. We've got experienced staff. So what? Well, the fact that they're experienced means that they've got a better product knowledge. So what? Well, because they've got a better product knowledge means that they can recommend more appropriately to what our clients want. So what? Oh, well, when they recommend more appropriately, it means that the end product is less expensive and lasts longer. Oh, now I'm beginning to see. Can you see how it works? What you've got to do is keep asking yourself, so what? And just keep doing that exercise, and if you can, tape record it. It is a great way to get down to the essence of what this is all about.